Okay, okay, good. Good job, good job. Oh, you got a, yeah, you got a good one. Good, good. Keep it here. You're fine. Oh my goodness, bring him this way. That's.
Oh yeah, dog.
Boom, dude. Let's go. Oh my.
Dude, that's nuts.
Dude. Nice fish, dude. Here, I'll let you do whatever you want. Here, we'll put him. We're gonna put him in the live well when you're done. Oh, he's a monster, dude. We'll have to measure him too, and I'll have to take a picture.
You got your measuring thing over here.
Yeah. Go.
Is there enough to drop her in?
Drop her on and enough to get her in there.
Okay.
Alright.
Dude. That's it. Nice.
Dude. Yeah. And it was more like a movie, you know, to watch like the legend, what the legend was. And it wasn't as like actually catching the fish.
Yeah.
And then like I was really disappointed. One, they caught some little bitty fish and said, yep, well, this is the fish. If it would grow up, this is what it'd look like. It'd be the monster in 20 years. And I'm like, dude, I just watched a whole episode for a small fish. Yeah. Ooh, get the net. Get the net, buddy. Oh yeah, that's a good one. A little bit lower. Oh, that's right, coming to you, dipping underneath the water. There you go. Bam, good fish. All right, all right, all right. Ooh, there we go. Right on, dude. It's not as big as yours, but.
That's bigger than mine.
Oh. We're gonna see. No, oh no. I think we got twinsies, dude. This is gross. Got him. All right.
You ready? You got yours?
Yep. We'll let yours go. Oh yeah. Get after it, biggin. There we go. Look at him, he's just hanging out down there.